Good day guys, welcome to our Maths is Made Easy with teacher Satya here. In this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the volume of a cylinder in just few steps. Make sure you stick along and watch the entire video to have better understanding on this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Now, in order to find the volume of a cylinder, what we are going to do is we are going to find the area of the base and multiply it by its height. Right guys, multiply it by its height. Now, as you can see, the base is a circle, therefore the area of the base would be pi r squared, and we are going to multiply by the height. Now, again, what we see in this question is they have provided us with the diameter. But in order to find the area of a circle, we need to know its radius. And as you all know, the radius would be 4 inches, as the radius would be half of its diameter. Now, what we got to do is we got to take these values and put them in the formula. So we have pi r squared, where r is equal to 4. So pi times 4 to the power of 2. Multiplied by the height, which is equal to 12, right guys? And we have pi times 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, so pi times 16 multiplied by 12. And if my calculations are correct, 16 times 12 will give us 192 pi. And of course the unit is inches, so the unit would be cubic inches. But in some places, they don't want you to answer it as pi. So what we are going to do is we are going to take 192 and multiply it with 3.14, which will give us 602.88 cubic inches. And that is how you find the volume of a cylinder easily, guys. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to click on that like button and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.